And now let's start the Game 3 semifinals for Barangay Malimpag versus the Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. On Mr. For the first five, please go and the center of our court on Barangay Malimpag. Okay, hinihiling ko po na tumayo muna ang lahat ng audience, players ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, pinupuri at sinasamba po namin ang iyong ngalan bilang pinakadakila at pinamakatakas sa buong sanlibutan. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa biyayang pinagkaloob mo sa amin sa araw-araw. Isasagawa namin ang third day ng semifinals on King Philip All-Star Basketball Tournament Season 2. Panginoon, basbasan mo po ang lahat ng manlalaro, bawat kupunan na para sila'y maging ligtas sa kanilang paglalaro ng basketball. Hinihiling din namin ang iyong gabay para sa mga officials, referee, tribal officials, organizers, and staff. Maisagawa nila ng maayos ang kanilang tungkulin sa gawain ito. Naway maging maayos, ligtas, malinis at payapa ang kalalabasan ng aming third day ng aming semifinals. Ito'y sa aming samot dalangin sa pinakamataas at makapangyarihan na pangalan ni Jesus, aming tagapagligtas ng buong sanlibutan. Amen. And now let's start. This is the Game 3 of semifinals, Battle of Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply versus the Barangay Malimpag. And now start the first period. Battle for the jumble of Maya and Lacupanto. Let's start the first period. Top up, pero makukuha ng Barangay Malimpag, but loses the handle on Barangay Malimpag. On the baseline, Kayabyab to number 2. This time Valdez back to number 2. On Murillo to Valdez, bigay sa loob, pero maaagaw yan on James Barba to Kamurungan. But it's a no basket, that he connects a foul on jersey number 2 on Murillo. This is your first personal foul para kay Murillo. On the first throw is a basket, this time for the second free throw of Kamurungan. It's also basket. This time on Murillo, number 2, may tanga ng bola. Bibigayan kay Abyab, back to Murillo. Sa ilalim naman, it's a 2 points on Mayo. On the first deadlock, 2-all ang ating nasa talaan. For the steal, pero save sa Miliana 2. Barba this time, lalapit. There's a no basket. Kaya Blood for the defensive rebound to Valdez on number 8. But he connects a foul earlier on jersey number 5 on Lacupanto. This time on the sideline, inbound by Mayo to Valdez. Dito po, kasasabi lang namin, pausog kayo ng konti dito. Kaya Biab. Pero mabibitawan, Lacupanto, maaagawan din.
Teras kita na.
Now on.
Jaki lain tak pianagara na sa.
2 points is good. Ron Soriano, jersey number 1. On jersey number 15, strongly guarded by Valdez. Turn around, bigay on Villena. It's a 3 points para kay Villena. Simon Marillo, jersey number 2, bibigay naman. But it's a traveling violation and he commits on Soriano on jersey number 1. Almost loses. Marvato. 2 points on Villena. Simon Mayo, susubok ng dos. Meron sa lobod, pero mapupulot yan kaya Biab to Valdez. But it's connects a foul on jersey number 5 on Lacupanto. We have a substitution. Lacupanto is out, replaced by Bulato. At tatlong free throw para kay Valdez. On the first row is a no good this time para sa ikalawang free throw on Valdez. It's a basket para sa ikalawang free throw this time for the last free throw. It's a basket, dalawang puntos para sa free throw on Valdez. 7-6 ang ating nasa talaan. Lamang pa rin ang Barangay Malimpok this time. 2 points is good on Caliboso on jersey number 29. This time Mayo, bibigay naman on Valdez. Fires sa 3. That is a no good defensive rebound para kay Caliboso. Now on Edgar Barba. Barba ngayon. But single pa rin tayo. It's a single. 7 minutes and 34 seconds on the time remaining. This is a first period. On the baseline, inbound on Caliboso. Caliboso 2. Single pa rin tayo. Last touch para sa mga naka-green. Kamarungan on the baseline, looking for the receiver. Barba ang re-receive. Single pa rin tayo. 16 seconds on the shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot. Bibigay on Bulataw. Bulataw ngayon. But he connects the foul on jersey number 1, Soriano. This time, this is your first personal foul on Soriano for the second team foul. Connects a foul on number 23 for the third team foul. First personal foul on Gayabiab number 23 for the third team foul of Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply, and acknowledging also the presence ang manager ng Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. 10 seconds to shoot, Mr. Aldefonso Valdez. Palakpakan po natin on Engineer Aldefonso Valdez.
Harap ka lang tampaw.
This time on Murillo, strongly guarded on James Barba. Bibigay on the side, fires a 3 on Valdez, but it's a no good. Makukuha on Mayo, no good. Makukuha on Caliboso. Caliboso this time, Caliboso, di diretso. Caliboso pa rin, pero makukuha yun. On Murillo, this time, Kayabyab to Valdez. It's a basket, 2 points on Valdez. Maagaw yan, Kayabyab this time. That is a no basket, but he connects the foul. On jersey number 28, he connects a foul on jersey number 28 on Villena. This is your first personal foul on Villena. For the second team foul of Barangay Malimpog. On the first row of deadlock, it's a basket. On the first deadlock, 9-all ang ating score. It's a basket para sa unang kalamangan ng Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. 10-9 ang ating nasa talan. Barba this time, Barba. Bibigay ang Villena. Pero short. At tatapikan ba si Soriano? Makukuha pa rin. Murillo to Valdez. Valdez to Mayo. Back to Valdez. It's a basket. Nice assisyon. But it's a offensive foul on jersey number 17 on Barba. We have a timeout on Barangay Malimpog Rovers.
Nababaliwan sa pambansang libangan ng baksihan. Game na game pa rin bawat laban. Handa na ba?
Alingonan niya.
At paalala sa ating mga staff, every time out, bibigyan sila ng Gatorade. And now back to the ball game. And now back to the ball game. 12-9 ng ating nasa talaan lamang ang Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply ng 3 puntos. On number 8, warning for delaying the game. And we have a foul on jersey number 9 para kay Bulataw. This is your first personal foul on number 9. Murillo on number 2. Murillo. Bibigayan Mayo. Nalibre naman on Soriano. It's a basket para kay Soriano. This time on number 28, Villena. Strongly guarded. Makukuha ba? Papasa yun on Bulataw. Bulataw. Pero block. Now on Valdez. All alone. It's a basket. 2 points para kay Valdez. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Kamulungan to Caliboso. Caliboso. Mabibitawan and loses the handle at bola mapupunta on Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. That is a traveling violation. This time on Valdez to Murillo, that's a no basket. Defensive rebound para kay Caliboso. Now on Villena, it's a 2 points on jersey number 28. Murillo this time on jersey number 2 to Valdez. Valdez magkakawala. 2 points is good on Valdez. Now on Barba. Barba this time to Bulataw. Bulataw turn around. And connects a foul on Soriano. On jersey number 1, this is your second personal foul on jersey number 1, Soriano. On the baseline, Bulataw. Looking for receiver. Kamurungan ang tatanggap. Kamurungan, dalawang bantay. Di makadaan. At makakastil. On Mayo. Mayo to Valdez. 2 points on Valdez. 20-11, siyam na puntos ang kalamangan para sa Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. That is last touch on Kayabyab. Barba to Beliana using the glass. It's a 2 points. Now number 0, Mayo to Valdez. Valdez. Pero magkakaagaw si Barba. Barba to Bulataw all alone. 2 points on Bulataw on jersey number 9. Murillo to Soriano. Soriano. Same ball pa rin tayo on Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. This time Valdez to Kayabyab. Fire sa 3. Match no good. Defensive rebound on Caliboso to maagaw yan ang Valdez. Valdez this time to Mayo na libre sa basket. 2 points. This time on Kamurungan too. But he connects a foul on jersey. On jersey number 1. This is your 3rd personal foul on jersey number 1. We have a substitution. On Barba is out. Para sa Valdez Hernandez. And 2 free throws on Miliana on the first throw is a basket this time for the second free throw. Acknowledging the presence of our and he connects a foul on jersey number 2 on Murillo. Second personal foul. We have a substitution, rep. Substitution. Murillo is out, replaced by Cambaliza on number 15. And acknowledging the presence ang mother ng ating commissioner, Madam Gloria Ancheta Dumantay. Andito po sila nanonood. 2 points is good. This time on number 15, Cambaliza. Cambaliza pa rin. And last touch, the same ball, we have a substitution, right? Substitution.
Bilina.
Beliana is out, papalitan on Martinez. It's a no basket. Villamil, pero makukuha, but last touch pa rin. On Barangay Malumpot. Simple tayo on Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. No basket. But last touch on number 15 on Cambaliza, kaya mapupunta ang bola sa Barangay Malimpok. Martinez, didiskarte, fire sa 3. That is a no basket. Mapupulot on Bulataw on jersey number 9. Bulataw, di diretso. No basket. Bulataw pa rin. It's a basket count at may kasama pang foul on jersey number 16 on Villamil. This is your first personal foul on Villamil. No good for the bonus free throw. At bola on Valdez Hernandez, Construction Supply. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. This time on Almazan. Almazan to number 15, Cambalisa. Cambalisa ngayon, didiskarte. Ilalabasan Almazan. Running shot on Almazan. It's a 2 points para kay Almazan. Calibosa to Kamurungan this time. Kamurungan naman ang didiskarte. Bigay on Bulataw. Basket 2 points para kay Bulataw. Number 15 to number 17 on Almazan, but it's a no good. Martinez to Kamulungan. Diaz ngayon to Martinez, pero maagawan yan. Same ball pa rin tayo. Two minutes and 16 seconds. Only 2 minutes and 16 seconds on the time remaining. And acknowledging the presence of our Commissioner King Philip Jim Tadeos Anceta Dumantay. Palakpakan po natin ang ating pinakamamahal na Commissioner King Philip. And connects a foul on jersey number 41. It's a guilty on the pushing foul. We have a substitution. Also substitution on Maya. Thrower. This time for the second free throw of Maya. And substitution, we have a substitution. Mayo is out, papalitan on Junio, number 10. This time on Diaz. Diaz ngayon to Caliboso, di diretso, basket using the glass of Caliboso. 25-24. Isang puntos na lang ang hinahabol ng Barangay Malimpag. Kambalisa number 15, bibigay. Almasan to Villamel, Vanessa Logan. Diaz makakapulot to Bulataw now on jersey number 9, Logan Martinez. Diaz na lang for 2 points of Diaz. Lamang ngayon ang isang Barangay Malimpag, 26-25. Kambalisa pati sa Logan. Battle for the rebound, Junio to Rebo, this time babangga, pero basket on Rebo. 1 minute 15 seconds. And we have a foul on jersey number 17 on Almazan. It's a guilty on the pushing foul. Penalty situation, rap. It's a penalty situation. First personal foul on Almazan. 1 minute and 13 seconds. On the first throw is a basket on number 15, Kamurungan. This time for the second free throw. It's also basket. 28-27 ang ating nasa talaan, lamang ang Barangay Malimpag. Almasan ilalapot, bigay sa ilalim ang Villamel sa basket, 2 points. 1 minute on the time remaining. Caliboso, that is a no good. Connects a foul on number 15. Also penalty. Same ball tayo penalty. We have a substitution on Camarungan. Replaced by Barba. Substitution. Diaz is out. Papalitan on Asuncion number 26. 56 seconds. Only 56 seconds para sa unang period. On the first row is a basket on number 15, Cambaliza. This time for the second free throw of Cambaliza. Here's a basket also. This time on Barba. Set his teammates on Barba. Papasa yan on Bulataw. Bulataw. It's a no basket, but he connects a foul on number 16. Second personal foul on Villamil, number 16, and 2 free throws now for Bulataw. On the first row is a no good, this time for the second free throw. Here's a basket, is Plea Charity. This time on Cambaliza, no good. Pero maaga on Rebo. 35 seconds, Rebo 2. But he connects a foul on Jersey. Number 26 on Asuncion, we have a substitution. Substitution para sa Barangay Malimpok. Bulataw replaced by Bulataw on number 14. Only 31 seconds on the time remaining. On the first row is a basket, this time for the second free throw. Villamil on jersey number 16. It's a basket. 28 seconds. Asuncion to Martinez. Muntik na bitawan on Martinez. Bigay naman. This time on Caliposo. But it's last touch on Barangay Malimpok. Only 21 seconds. Now shot clock is up. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. No good. 5 seconds. Only 1.8 seconds. 1.8 seconds. Only 1.8 seconds. And that's the end on the first period. And that's the end on the first period. Our official score, 33-29. Apat na puntos ang babauning Kalamangan para sa Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply.
Para tayo balik ang puwersa.
Okay, yung mga... And now back to the ball game. 33-29 ng ating nasa talaan at apat na puntos ang Kalamangan para sa Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. This time Valdez Hernandez for the basketball. This time on Cambaliza, number 14. Cambaliza to Valdez. It's a 3 points on number 8, Valdez. Now on Barba, strongly guided. At bola mapupunta on Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply.
Thank you.
Kambalisa ngayon. Number 15, Kambalisa. Makakadaan si Kambalisa. 2 points is good. Asuncion, 2. Number 23. 2 points is good on number 23. Kambalisa, strongly guarded by Barba. Di makalusot. Matatapikan. 2 points is good. This time number 23. 2 points on Gaya Bram. Barba to Martinez. Martinez ngayon. Martinez para sa short. Makukuha. Now on Barba. Didiskarte sa teammates on Barba. 10 seconds to shoot. Barba pa rin. Di diretso. 2 points on Barba. Eight minutes and 30 seconds. This time on Valdez, number 8. Valdez pa rin. There's a no basket, but he connects the foul on jersey number 26 on Asuncion. Second personal foul para kay number 26 for the first team foul. First throw of Valdez is a basket. This time para sa ikalawang free throw on Valdez. And we have a substitution. Number 10 on Hunyo, replaced by Mayo. Nagbabalik si Mayo on second period.
Nakatutok na Valdez, along dyan rin.
Kambalisa, magkakaagaw to Valdez. It's a 2 points para kay Valdez. Grabe ngayon. Di makamanggay, di makadaan. Felix connects sa foul on number 22 on Felix. This is your first personal foul on Felix, number 22. We have a substitution. Asuncion is out. Papalitan on Bulato.
Awat.
This time Bulato. Basket, 2 points is good. Kambalisa, number 15 to Mayo. Libre naman on Felix. It's the basket. 46-37. Siyam na puntos pa rin ng Galamangan para sa Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. Now on Martinez, number 12, Martinez. Bigay naman on Bulato, power sa 3. Bang! It's a 3 points para kay Bulato. Baba sa 6 na puntos. Now on Kambalisa, number 15. Kambalisa pa rin. To Felix on number 22. Kaya Biap, pero block ang aabutin on Martinez. Sasak ke Bayot. 2 points para kay Barba. Two points on Mayo. 7 minutes on the time remaining. Now on Martinez, 2. Bibigayan, Barba ngayon. Looking for receiver to Bulato, di diretso. Ibibigayan, Darwin. No basket, pero makukuha yan. But it's a no basket, but he connects the foul on James have a substitution, second personal foul para kay Felix on jersey number 22.
Yun ang kaya ba nag...
On the first row, it's a short for Barba. This time for the second free throw of number 17. That is a no basket. We have a substitution. Barba number 17, papalitan on number 15 on Kamurungan.
Ate dalam. Ninyo.
6 minutes and 35 seconds. Felix, but he connects a foul on jersey. On jersey number 9 on Bulataw. Second personal foul para kay number 9 on Bulataw. And 2 free throws now on Felix. On the first row is a no basket this time for the second free throw. It's a no basket na kukuha. Pero naagaw yun kay Abiab for 2 points and skip. Now on Lacopanto ngayon. But it's a lane violation.
Iman mas malas ay matay.
Pagamit plus to.
Levin Haliboso. That is a no basket, but he connects the foul on number 22. Guilty on the pushing foul on number 22 on Felix. This is your third personal foul
Sikat tulang-lanan.
for the third team foul. We have a substitution rep.
Kal, barja ka lang. Ambo.
First throw of Caliboso is a basket this time para sa ikalawang free throw on jersey number 29. Is a no basket and split charity on the free throws of Caliboso. Now on Cayabyab, Batay si Rodriguez, Valdez to Cambalisa this time on number 15, Cambalisa. Bigayan Mayo pero malilibre on Soriano, number 1. This time Rodriguez ngayon, Rodriguez pa rin, diretso on Rodriguez, it's a basket, 2 points para kay Rodriguez. Caliboso, matik maagaw pero Soriano, 2, Cayabyab, no good. Kamurungan to Rodriguez. This time on Michael Rodriguez. Rodriguez pa rin. Makakalusot si Rodriguez. That is a no basket. Mayo to Cayabyab. It's a 2 points. 5 minutes 20 seconds. Caliboso naman 2 points. Now on Cayabyab, number 23, di diretso, no basket. Now on Kamurungan, strongly guarded on number 15. Same ball pa rin tayo on Barangay Malimpog. This time on Rodriguez. Bibigay ang Kamurungan on the side, but it's a no good. Cayabyab, matatapikan. Cayabyab pa rin. Soriano ngayon, umintay ang kakampi. Valdez. 10 seconds to shoot. Kambalisa. Aararan ng bossing sa basket para kay Kambalisa. Mabibitawan pa yun. Kambalisa for the steal. Naon Valdez. Pero makaka-steal. Lacopanto. Naon Bulataw. Basket count at may kasama pang foul para kay Jersey. Jersey number 15 on Kambalisa, guilty on the pushing foul. It's a first personal foul on number 15 on Kambalisa. For the 40 foul, we have a substitution.
Okay lamang.
Basket for the Brothers free throw. 6 na puntos ang inahabol ng Barangay Malimpog. 56-50 ang ating score. Rebound, dadagdagan ba? Pero no good. Nawag Kamurungan, bibigayan Lacopanto. Lacopanto to Bulataw. It's a 2 points on Bulataw. Baba sa 4 na puntos ang kalamangan ng Valdez Hernandez Construction Supply. No good. Defensive rebound Calimoso. Calimoso didiretso ba? Bibigayan Kamurungan. Nice assist on Calimoso. 2 points on Kamurungan this time. Ribo naman. Strongly guarded by Lacopanto. Di may pagpag si Lacopanto. Bigay, balik. On Ribo. It's a basket. Nabibitawan yun. Mayo ngayon. 2 points on Mayo. 3 minutes 25 seconds.
Kay, lupos ka, Ram. Kay.
Pare,
This time on Rodriguez, strongly guarded by Ribo. Bibigayan Lacopanto, Lacopanto. Susubukin, pero no good. Makukuha on Ribo. 2. Mayo, it's a 2 points para kay Mayo. We have a timeout. On Barangay Malimpog, and 3 minutes and 3 seconds of the time remaining. Our official score 62-54. This time on Rodriguez. Rodriguez looking for a receiver. Now on Lopez. Bibigay naman ang Bulataw number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. There is a no basket, but he connects a foul on Jersey. On Jersey number 0 on Mayo. It's a penalty. First personal foul on Mayo. And now on the penalty situation. This time for the second free throw. Split charity on the free throws. Now on Kambalisa number 15. Kambalisa pa rin. 2. Almazan para sa 3. Yung points para kay Almazan on number 17. 65-55. 10 puntos ngayon ang kalamangan para sa Valdez Hernandez. Bulataw, di diretso, magkakawala, no basket for 2. Now on Villamil. That is a double dribble on Villamil.
Pasa na, Ben! Pasa na! Shot on 3D! Maraming open!
Now on Kamurungan number 50 to Rodriguez. Now on Bulataw, turnaround jumper, but it's a no good. Kambalisa to Ripo ngayon. And we have a substitution on Rodriguez. Babalik on Villena, number 28. Almasan na libre. 2 points on Almasan. Nawan Lopez. So number 15, Cameroon. 2 points is good. 67-57. 10 puntos pa rin ang abante para sa nadagdagan pa yan. 12 puntos. 2 points on Mayo. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Cameroon matatapikan. Nawad Kambalisa, number 15. 2 points on Kambalisa. 1 minute 25 seconds. Muntik pang makagawan. Makukuha on Lopez. 2. Bolata. 3 points. 1 minute 18 seconds. 2 points. Is 2 points on number 15, Kambalisa. Now on Bilataw, number 9, Di Diretso. But he connects the foul on jersey. On jersey number 0 on Mayo. Second personal foul para kay Mayo. 1 minute and 7 seconds. 1 minute and 7 seconds. Penalty situation. We have a penalty situation. Bulataw, it's a basket at the first throw. This time for the second free throw. It's a no basket. Dalawa sila. Now Lacopanto. Back short. Makukuha on Mayo. Pass break naman on Rivo. 2. Almasan. 2 points on Almasan. Meron na silang warning kanina. Yung warning on delaying the game on number 8 kanina.
17 may warning ngayon. Delaying the game. Wala ba sa number? Siya pa yung warning.
Wala. Kamay Baldes. May report yun kanina dito. Nakapali tayo dito. Meron silang warning kanina.
Coach! Magalaw. Paano naman, Michael? Paano naman?
Sipag ba yung sinabi kanina?
Paano mo? Paano
Na number
naman?
8? May number 7.
Yan, mo dito. Paano naman? Siya pa yung warning.
Number 8, Liman, Valdez, Tamaan. Anton oras eh. First quarter. Anton oras. Napay susulayutan ha.
Okay, we have a warning and now
Technical number 7 na delaying the game.
technical on number 7 for delaying the game on Riva.
Wala mukman.
Both teams meron na kayong warning kanina kay Barba, dito naman kay Valdez. Kaya maayos, technical now on number 7 on Riva for delaying the game. And for the technical free throw, is a no good. Only 51 seconds. This time, Barba to Martinez ngayon. Bubbles. Bantay si Rino, Barba na lang. No good. Defensive rebound. Cambalisa to Almasan. Libre. 2 points. 35 seconds. 77-60 ang ating nasa talan. Pakot sa 60 ang Barangay Malimpok. Now ang Lacopanto. That loses the handle at same ball pa rin tayo. Last touch on the green shirts. This time on Mayo. 18 seconds. Villamil, 2 points. 15 seconds. 79-60 ang ating nasa talan. 19 puntos ang kalamangan ng Valdez Hernandez. Now on Barba, 2 points. And now that's the end of the second period. Our official score is 79-62. At para doon sa ating blindfold contest, doon sa blindfold contest natin, Jobert Bonifacio, Fernando. Sika, sibay, gabay to, sika. Hindi, JBE. May BE. Ang gapoy, Kuya Baloy, ang gapoy blindfolds to may JBE eh. Wala. Ha?
Ano sa tagpo eh? Oras?
Sige, si Paymila. Gapoy pa rin. Diyan, para may BBA, agabay ko. B. Ay, analo ka lang, Jeff Malimpok. Si Paymila. Tatas na laro. Kung hindi gusto nyo kami na napakataas ang boses ninyo, ay magpalit na lang po tayo. Ha? Okay. Tinababot ng aming commissioner. Pwede namin kayong kausapin o kaya kung ayaw namin kayong kausapin, wala tayong magagawa. Okay? Sinasagot namin yung mga tanong ninyo. Pero pag sisigawan niyo po kami, huwag naman po sana. Dahil nandito kami sa committee, alam namin ang aming ginagawa. Kayo, hilaro ko na. Sige, hila kayo dyan.
Hey! Game tayo dito!
Gapo, laos.